Hi friends, I'm Gayatri doing my ME final year in Vailtech Multitech Engineering College. Now I'm going to show my project demo. Before that, I just want to discuss about my project details. So my project domain is wireless sensor network and embedded system. My project title is SPLR flaws in railway network using wireless sensor network. SPLR flaws is nothing but detection of fault in railway network by using this wireless sensor network technology. The main objective of my project is to avoid the major railway accidents and to improve the development and growth of our country. See, India is the fourth largest railway network around the world, carrying lakhs of passengers to their destination daily. Even though several technologies have been developed, but still major accidents have been occurring in our railway network. Major rail accidents are due to derailment and human errors. So in order to avoid this, I am going to monitor the conditioning of tracks and tunnels using wireless sensor network technology. So this will reduce the human inspection necessity and also avoid the accidents. And also to avoid less frequent accidents, the footboard traveling on train, it was also monitored by using a sensor devices and by using a camera. Now we can see what are all the components I was used in my project. First is the Raspberry Pi module. The Raspberry Pi module operates in the same way as a standard PC. It requires a mass storage. For that we are using a SD card. In that SD card we are dumping a program code. So by using this I will dump my coding to that ARM LPC2148 microcontroller which is inbuilt with ARM Raspberry Pi module. And next it has two USB ports. One is in one port I have connected a web camera and one is Ethernet port, and we can't connect more number of devices, that is sensor devices, to Raspberry Pi module. So that I have designed this because in my project I am using three sensor modules. One is the IR sensor module, and another one is the ultrasonic sensor module, and another one is the IR sensor module for footboard traveling. First we will see the output for track monitoring system. This is the IR sensor module, this is the IR transmitter and IR receiver. Assume this is the railway track and this is the crack on this track. The IR transmitter will transmit the IR signals into that rail track. The IR receiver will detect when it detects the crack on the rail track. First I am moving this IR sensor. See, there is nothing is displaying in the LCD. So if it detects the crack, then in LCD display it is displaying as crack is visible in track, and it is also updated in PC by using this wireless transceiver technology. And next we will see the result about ultrasonic sensor, that is for tunnel. This module is HCSR04, and if assume that my hand is an obstacle I am placing here. If the obstacle is detected by ultrasonic sensor, then in LCD display it is displayed as obstacle detected, and it will also show the distance of that obstacle, and is also updated in PC through this wireless transceiver technology. Next we will see the footboard travel monitoring. This is the IR sensor transmitter and this is the IR receiver. I am placing my hand here. Then the sensor gets detected and will be displayed as person standing in doorstep, and will send us an email through this LAN cable. And after, if the sensor detects, the camera gets activated and it will capture the person who is standing in footboard, and it will be updated in PC2. That is the email, through email. This is the email of the captured image. And also by using the wireless sensor network technology, it will be continuously updated in PC. Thank you.